7 to 12 only. Kasi after that po, wala na kaming class. And then, we just have 2 days straight, right? Yeah, 2 days, Mondays, Tuesday, and the other group naman po is Thursday and Friday. And then, sa duty namin, we're like focusing in the OR, and medicine ward, then surgery, and also community.
So that's for RLE. Now let's go to the lecture. So for you guys, what is the hardest lecture subject for you?
1, 2, 3, MS.
Why do you think it's the hardest for you guys? What makes it the hardest subject for you?
Kasi po may mix po siya nung anatomy and physiology, tapos may disease process, tapos din niyo po yung pathophysiology, ganyan sa mga iba't ibang diseases. So us personally, we had on our first sem, we had our 100 diseases. So we had to know the introduction of the disease, symptoms, pathophysiology, nursing management, medical management, and nursing diagnosis. So the amount of diseases that we had to learn in a span of a few months was difficult to manage kasi hindi lang naman po yun yung um, subject and dina-handle namin. May sarili kaming may iba pa kaming subjects, ganyan, may mga ibang duties, and syempre yung social life lang rin para work-life balance.
And let me adjust lang po. Like, parang yung MS po kasi, like, lahat ng pinag-aralan natin from first year to second year, like, we need to adapt po sa third